Now let's go to Canva to see how to add a font there so you can use it. You need Canva Pro for this. Let's see how to upload the font to your brand kit. Click on the Brand tab from the home page, then click Brand Kits on the left side to see all the brands you've saved. Find the brand you want to change and add the font to. Under the brand colors, you'll see the font section. You can add a different font for each text size. Click one of them, then click Choose Font. If you already have a font there, click it. You'll see the full list of Canva fonts, but under that, you'll see the option to upload a font. Click it. If you have an OTF file, that's better quality, so choose that from the files you got from Envato Elements when you downloaded the font. You'll need to confirm that you have the license to use the font, and you do, as long as you have a live subscription to Envato Elements. This font is now in your fonts on Canva, and you can click the other text styles to change the font there too. If you don't want to add the font to a brand kit, you can go directly to the project you're working on. Click the font on a text in the design, and then upload the font the same way you did for the brand kit. If you upload a lot of fonts, you'll need to know the names of the fonts to find them quickly in the search. But you can use the search bar so you don't have to scroll down each time. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.